Hey, today we are here in Prestige Lake Ridge. This is our one of the recent 2 BHK projects here, and we thought of we'll give you some small brief about this project, like what we have done here. We can start from the foyer. When you see the foyer, no, we have this wall treatment. This is our premium range of wallpaper which is washable. This looks like an old wall, a distressed painted wall or something. That's the beauty of this wallpaper and this wall. And we have a shoe rack here with bottom part is open where we can keep daily use stuffs and a small seating adjacent to that. Then other thing what we have done is adjacent to our shoe rack, just to differentiate the dining and the foyer, we have done a partition. We have used the real wood log here, and along with that the solid wood planks. And when it comes to TV wall, TV unit is a very simple one. It is not at all a complicated design or something, and the wall is treated with again same wallpaper which we have used it in a foyer. Other thing what we have done here is the flooring. The complete foyer, living, dining area, we have changed the flooring we have done the wooden flooring here. When we say wooden flooring, as we discussed in our previous video, we haven't touched the existing floor tiles. We have just installed the wooden flooring above that tile. So if you want to reuse the tiles in future after 4 or 5 years down the line, we can just remove this wooden flooring and reuse it. On the right hand side, we have a long wall, and that wall we have treated with some kind of wooden beading with a different color. That's actually highlight this area. Then this dining table also, it is a solid wood dining table. The top, if you see, it is 40 mm thick real wood top. Then we have a metal support for this. One side we have bench and the other side we have 2 chairs. Then master bedroom, we have done a wardrobe, sliding with drawers below. 2 shutters we have mirror, that too not complete 2 shutter, 2 parts of that portion is mirror. And the back wall is again treated with the wallpaper. Not the same texture, it's a different texture with a small ledge where again we can keep some indoor plants, artifacts, all this kind of stuffs. Let's go to the kitchen. If you see, as I said in our upcoming post, you can see how was this kitchen before. Now as you could see in this video, this kitchen looks more spacious because we have replaced with white marble textured quartz stone. So it is looking more bright and spacious. And the overhead cabinet also, we have touched till ceiling. For that we have done false ceiling here. So many things we have done here. So that's how we have designed this kitchen. This is our kids bedroom. So here we have done a wardrobe with loft. This is a swing wardrobe with loft. Builder has provided the niche there, and inside that we have set the wardrobe with loft. The existing bed we have repainted to this blue color to match with our theme, and we have done his letter, his name. This is with acrylic and backlight. And the existing study table again we have repainted and used it here. Along with that, we made additional new bookshelf on the wall. So this is about this project, and we hope you guys liked it. And if you have any inquiries, any you need more clarification or something, please feel free to get in touch with us.